Number 1.
1996 Ford F250, price $9,000, with 129,000 miles on the odometer. This truck remains in excellent running and driving condition, showcasing the durability and reliability that Ford is known for. It is powered by the legendary 460 cubic inch gasoline V8 engine, paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission. The 4x4 system is fully functional, making it a dependable choice for both everyday use and more demanding off-road or work conditions. The exterior is finished in a classic white color, complemented by a clean and well-kept gray interior. This truck comes equipped with a fifth-wheel-ready towing package, ideal for those needing serious hauling capability, as well as airbags to enhance ride quality and support heavy loads. Every aspect of the truck, from the drivetrain to the body and interior, reflects how well it has been preserved over the years.
Number 2.
1981 Ford F150, price $5,800, sporting a sleek silver exterior and a matching interior. This truck retains much of its original charm while offering a refreshed feel thanks to several recent updates.
Under the hood, it is powered by the legendary 300 cubic inch inline-six engine, well known for its durability and ease of maintenance.
The engine is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. This F-150 runs on gasoline and features new tires and freshly reupholstered seats, adding comfort and road readiness to its classic appeal. While it does not come equipped with power steering or air conditioning, it remains mechanically sound and easy to maintain.
Its no-frills setup and clean condition make it an ideal choice for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone looking for a reliable vintage truck. Number 3.
1965 Ford F100, price $7,800. With an astounding 800,000 miles traveled, it stands as a testament to decades of use and maintenance. It sports a bold green exterior complemented by a clean black interior, creating a striking visual contrast that suits its vintage appeal. Under the hood, this F100 runs on gasoline and is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it easy and comfortable to drive even in today's traffic. Despite its age and high mileage, the truck still runs, drives, and stops as it should, thanks to the extensive mechanical attention it has received. Numerous parts have been either replaced or rebuilt over time, ensuring continued reliability and performance. The interior is in great shape and has clearly been cared for, offering a pleasant and well-kept environment inside the cab. Whether you're looking for a unique daily driver, a weekend cruiser, or a solid base for a restoration project.
Number 4.
1995 GMC Sierra 2500, price $10,000. Under the hood, it's powered by the legendary Vortec 454 7.4L V8 gasoline engine, known for its impressive torque and durability. The engine is mated to a 4L80 automatic transmission, a heavy-duty gearbox designed to handle the demands of towing and hauling. This truck also features a 4x4 drivetrain, making it fully capable in off-road situations and tough weather conditions. The exterior is finished in a bold black color, which complements the clean and practical gray interior. While it shows signs of use typical for its age, it remains fully functional. It runs, drives, and stops as it should. Whether you're looking for a workhorse for the job site or a solid platform for a project build, the Sierra 2500 offers the rugged performance and classic styling that GMC trucks from the mid-90s are known for.
Number 5.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,500. It has covered a total of 225,000 miles. It is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, providing a dependable driving experience. The truck features a clean white exterior paired with a spacious gray interior, offering a timeless and practical look. Despite being nearly 3 decades old, this Sierra is still in very good condition. There are no warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, and it shows no signs of any leaks, indicating that it has been well cared for mechanically. The air conditioning system is fully functional, adding to the comfort during warmer weather. One of the standout features of this truck is that it comes with a camper.
Number 6.
1984 Ford F150, price $4,500. It is powered by a reliable 302 cubic inch V8 engine with a carburetor, paired with an automatic transmission that includes an overdrive feature for smoother highway cruising. This particular model is a 4x2 configuration and has been enhanced with a lift kit, giving it a more commanding stance and off-road capability. The truck rides on large 35 by 12.50 tires, adding to its rugged and aggressive look. Despite its age, the truck has very minimal rust, which is a testament to its care and storage over the years. The original door panels are still intact and available, preserving much of the truck's classic interior charm. While the truck runs and drives solidly, it does need a little carburetor tuning to optimize performance.
Additionally, there is a minor oil pan gasket leak that will need to be addressed to prevent further issues. Number 7. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. It has traveled 231,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is black, complemented by a blue interior. Originally equipped with a V6 engine, this truck was swapped by the previous owner to a small block 350 fuel-injected engine, which was rebuilt and reportedly has only 25,000 miles on it. This Chevrolet 1500 has been enhanced with a 2/4 drop kit and rides on 22x9 US mag wheels fitted with good tires, offering a strong presence and improved stance. The truck is mechanically sound, having new brake lines and a new fuel pump installed. All the top-end gaskets, including the front motor gasket and head gasket, have been replaced recently. It runs very well, shifts smoothly, and currently shows no mechanical problems. Number 8. 1983 Chevrolet C10, price $8,500. It has about 29,000 miles, a red exterior with a black interior, and runs on a 305 5.0 V8 engine with automatic transmission. It is 2WD and mostly rust-free. The truck features an Edelbrock carburetor and intake manifold, manual choke, upgraded Stage 3 camshaft and lifters, new upper control arms, front calipers, brake pads, wheel bearings, tie rods, and one replaced gas tank, left side. It has a full dual exhaust with long headers and cherry bomb mufflers. Issues include a slight brake line leak on the right side, a need to replace the right gas tank, cylinder head gaskets to be installed, and lower control arms and bushings requiring attention. The horn and high beams don't work, and the interior needs cleaning with window stripping replacement. Front shocks and coils are available but not installed. Number 9. 1979 Chevrolet C10, price $6,500. With 107,000 miles on the odometer, it features a smooth shifting automatic transmission and a bold black exterior that gives it a striking presence on the road. The truck runs and drives very well. Structurally, the vehicle is impressively solid with hardly any rust, a testament to how well it has been maintained over the years. It sits on stylish 20-inch wheels in the front and 22-inch wheels in the rear, giving it an aggressive stance and updated look, while the original stock wheels are also included for those who prefer a more classic appearance. Performance has been further improved with the addition of newer exhaust components and upgraded shocks, ensuring a smoother and more responsive ride. Number 10. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000. With 157,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 355.7 lTBI engine paired with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck is a two-wheel drive model with a brown exterior and matching brown interior. It is part of the Regency conversion series and showcases a distinctive two-tone faded paint scheme. Despite the cosmetic wear, the body is clean and completely rust-free. The truck was recently inspected and is currently being used as a daily driver, performing reliably. Inside, it retains one original seat, while the other has been replaced. The paint could use some refreshing, particularly a respray and new clear coat, to bring back its full visual appeal. Overall, it's a dependable classic truck with character and potential.